Our planet is a vibrant tapestry, alive with an astonishing array of creatures, each contributing to the intricate web of life. Each animal, big or small, is a marvel, a unique expression of life's ingenuity and adaptability. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, life finds a way, in countless forms, adapting to every environment. And today, we turn our gaze to a truly special bird, a creature that embodies the spirit of an ancient land, the emu. Among the world's avian wonders are the flightless birds, the ostrich, titan of the African plains, the rhea, sprinting across South American grasslands, the elusive cassowary, deep in tropical rainforests shrouded in mystery. And then there is the emu, Australia's very own feathered giant, a symbol of resilience. It does not soar through the skies, yet it commands the land with its presence. Instead, it strides across the land with a quiet dignity and an ancient lineage, a bird quite unlike any other. A true marvel of evolution. Australia, a continent of stark beauty, a land sculpted by time and isolation, where unique creatures thrive. It is home to some of the most extraordinary animals on Earth, creatures that have evolved in splendid isolation. The kangaroo, the koala, the platypus, each a testament to nature's creativity. And standing proudly among them, the emu, a bird that captures the essence of the Australian wilderness. Join us as we explore the world of the emu, uncovering the secrets of this remarkable bird. Emus are remarkably adaptable creatures, known for their resilience and versatility. They are not particularly choosy about their address, thriving in a multitude of environments. This flexibility is a cornerstone of their survival, allowing them to flourish across a vast continent with varying climates. They seem to take challenges in their stride, whether it is scorching heat or biting cold, adapting seamlessly. This bird has found ways to cope with the harshest of conditions. It is a testament to nature's resourcefulness and the emu's incredible adaptability. The emu is a master of making a home wherever it may roam, showcasing its survival skills. You can find these impressive birds in many places across the wide open landscapes of Australia, from coast to interior. From the arid, sun-baked deserts in the interior, where water is scarce, to the cooler, temperate woodlands further south, where the climate is milder, and believe it or not, sometimes near snowy uplands, where temperatures can drop significantly. This range is truly quite astonishing, highlighting their adaptability. It showcases their inherent toughness and their ability to find sustenance in a variety of different settings, no matter how challenging. Their adaptability has ensured their continued presence across so much of this ancient land, making them a true symbol of resilience. We shall now delve deeper into these varied habitats, exploring how they thrive. Let us see how they make their lives in these contrasting Australian landscapes, adapting to each unique environment. Picture the vast Australian desert, a realm of searing sun and shifting sands, where the landscape is both beautiful and unforgiving. Water is scarce, and the heat can be relentless, creating an environment that tests the limits of survival. It seems an unlikely place for a large bird to call home. Yet, the emu not only survives here, it thrives, a true desert wanderer, perfectly adapted to this harsh environment. They stride across these arid expanses, seemingly unfazed by the harsh conditions, moving with a grace that belies the difficulty of their surroundings. Their presence is a testament to endurance, a symbol of life in the harshest of places, where few other creatures can survive. How do they manage in such formidable heat? What secrets do they hold? The emu has developed clever strategies, honed over millennia. Their shaggy, pale brown to gray-brown plumage acts like a natural, insulated cloak, shielding them from the sun's intense rays. It protects their skin from the fierce solar radiation, allowing them to endure the heat. They also pant to lose heat, much like a dog, and seek shade during the hottest parts of the day, conserving energy and staying cool. Their behavioral adaptations are just as crucial as their physical ones in this baking environment, ensuring their survival. Now let us journey to the open grasslands, wide, sweeping plains that stretch to the horizon, offering a different kind of beauty and challenge. These are also favored haunts of the emu, where they find new opportunities and resources. Here, the landscape offers different advantages, showcasing the emu's incredible adaptability. Emus are not confined to just deserts and plains. They also make their homes in open woodlands. These are not the dense, impenetrable forests, but rather areas where trees are more scattered, allowing sunlight to filter through to the ground and providing space for these large birds to move. Here, they find a different kind of sanctuary, a balance between openness and cover. The woodlands offer a mosaic of resources, a gentle contrast to the starker landscapes. These sclerophyll forests and savanna woodlands provide both shelter and sustenance. The trees offer shade from the midday sun and some protection from harsh weather. The undergrowth can hide their nests, protecting their precious eggs from predators. Perhaps most surprisingly of all, emus can sometimes be encountered in colder regions, in areas bordering mountains where winter brings snow. This might seem a world away from the hot deserts. Yet, these hardy birds can cope. Mapping the emu, Australia's feathered wanderer. The emu is an intrinsic part of Australia. It's a bird that is, well, quintessentially Australian, native to this vast island continent and found nowhere else, at least not in the wild. Their story is deeply intertwined with this land, a land of ancient rocks and unique wildlife. For millennia, they have roamed these territories, long before European settlers arrived. They are a fundamental piece of Australia's natural heritage, a living link to the continent's deep past. Their geographical distribution is impressively wide. Emus can be found across most of mainland Australia, from the coastal regions of Western Australia, across the arid interior, the Great Outback, to the eastern states. Though less common there now, they inhabit a vast range of latitudes and a corresponding variety of climatic zones. This widespread presence speaks to their success. Built for survival, the emu's remarkable physical prowess. The emu is a magnificent example of evolutionary design, a bird clearly built for life on the ground. It belongs to the ratite group of birds, characterized by their flat breastbones lacking a keel. This means they don't have the anchor points for powerful flight muscles. Their wings are consequently tiny, almost vestigial, hidden beneath their shaggy plumage. But what they lack in aerial ability, they more than make up for on land. Their legs are the key to their success. Long, powerful, and perfectly adapted for running. These are the limbs of an avian athlete. When an emu decides to move, it can do so with astonishing speed. They can reach sustained speeds of nearly 50 kilometers per hour. That's around 30 miles per hour, a remarkable velocity for such a large bird. This speed is their primary defense mechanism. Masters of endurance, thriving in arid landscapes. Australia is famously a continent of droughts and flooding rains. For much of the interior, conditions are predominantly arid. Water is a precious, often elusive commodity. Many creatures struggle in these dry conditions, but the emu has evolved to be a master of endurance, displaying remarkable adaptations to cope with water scarcity. This ability underpins their success. In some of the driest inhabited parts of our planet, they are true icons of resilience, a testament to life's ability to conquer adversity. One of their most striking adaptations is the ability to survive for extended periods without drinking. They can go for many days, sometimes even weeks, without access to freestanding water. How do they achieve this incredible feat? Partly by obtaining moisture from the food they consume. Succulent plants, fruits, and even insects provide a vital source of hydration. The emu's place in the wild, an ecological keystone and enduring fascination. Emus are more than just impressive individual survivors. They play a significant role within their ecosystems. As large mobile omnivores, their actions have consequences. One of their key ecological contributions is as dispersers of seeds. When emus consume fruits and berries, the seeds pass through their digestive system intact and are then deposited far from the parent plant, often in new locations aided by their droppings, which provide a little fertilizer to start. This process of seed dispersal is vital. It helps to maintain plant diversity and genetic flow across the vast Australian landscape. Emus are, in effect, feathered gardeners of the bush, helping to shape the plant communities they inhabit. Their long-distance movements mean they can carry seeds over much greater distances than wind or smaller animals, connecting fragmented habitats and aiding regeneration. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.